we're going to create a cutting board using an image which we've got from the internet in Carveco Maker, and then we're going to cut it on the 3018 machine. So we've simply just imported a image, saved it, file imported it into the bitmap area. We're going to reduce the colours using the bitmap to vector tool, so that will automatically vectorize the image itself, and that way we can actually use it to toolpath. So as you can see very quickly here, we have some clean vectors around our design itself. A quick alignment of the model by centering it in the model, and then we can take a look at the toolpathing options. So the first thing we're going to do is use an area clearance or a pocketing toolpath, and we're going to create the depth that we want to cut to, and then we're going to add tools to this. So the first tool we're going to pick will be a 2mm end mill tool, or even a 3mm end mill tool, which is a flat bottom tool. And then the next tool we're going to add to the list will be a 0.5mm end mill tool, again another flat bottom tool. And change all our speeds, feeds, step overs for each tool. Change our spindle speed down to 10,000, which is the standard on a 3018 CNC. You can get an upgrade to a 20,000 RPM spindle. I just have the stock spindle on this machine. Then you're going to calculate the toolpaths to see what it looks like. You can see that the tools get in there quite nicely. The next stage, as always, is to simulate the toolpath, so it shows what it looks like when it comes off a CNC machine, so you can see exactly where your tools have got to. In this case, my 3mm and my 1/2 mm. I can change the colour, so I can simulate what it would look like roughly in the material I'm going to cut this out of, and add a depth colour. Because I'm doing a resin pour, I can view exactly what that would look like as well. And then the next stage, as always, is to save out your toolpaths, making sure you do one at a time, with the largest tool first and then the smaller tool afterwards. Anything in the right hand side is what you're going to be saving, and then if you're using a 3018 like me, you can save it out using a 3018 toolpath post processor, or you can use the G code as well. Once they are saved out, and we're quite happy with them being saved out, we can import them into Candle, which is just file, open, and import our largest tool first, our 3mm, and you can see exactly the area it's going to be cutting on our machine. And then we just hit the send when it's connected to the machine.